Marhaban, Ana Safaa. Hi, I'm Safaa. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safaa. In our 5 words a day series, these are the words we are going to learn today. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one, Shams, sun. Let's repeat, Shams, sun. Let's see an example. الشمس تعطينا الضوء. The sun gives us light. Let's repeat. الشمس تعطينا الضوء. The sun gives us light. The next one. سماء, sky. Let's repeat. سماء, sky. Let's see an example. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. Let's repeat. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. The next one. Qamar, moon. In Arabic, there are 3 words to say the word moon. The first one, Qamar, moon. The second one, Hilal, crescent. Let's repeat. Hilal, crescent. The third one, Badr, full moon. Let's repeat. Badr, full moon. Let's see an example. Al-Qamar fi sama. The moon is in the sky. Let's repeat. Al-Qamar fi sama. The moon is in the sky. The next one. Ard, earth. Let's repeat. Ard, earth. Let's see an example. Al-Ard kabira. The earth is big. Let's repeat. Al-Ard kabira. The earth is big. The next one, Najm, star. Let's repeat. Najm, star. Let's see an example. ذلك نجم. That is a star. Let's repeat. ذلك نجم. That is a star. Let's have a small quiz. Let's try to translate. السماء صافية. Did you get the answer? Let's see. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. Let's repeat. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Wadan, Araka Kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.